Here we are, SOLARIUM Bistro for boarding day lunch, 11:30 to 2:30. It's about to close, but let's go get a quick walkthrough here. You got your washy on the right. It is so peaceful in here. I'm telling you, boarding day, come to the SOLARIUM Bistro. It is beautiful. Let's see what we got on this side here. So you walk in, you're gonna have two sides, the right and the left. Let's see here. So we've got some kind of soup there. That was creamy potato and leek. And then, oh sorry, that was chicken noodle. That was creamy potato and leek, my apologies. We got here steamed rice, we got dal, we got papadum, roti, rajma marsala, chicken tiki. You got your toppings. They're about to take everything off here. They are closing it down. We got cheeseburgers, hot dogs, french fries, and sauerkraut. Nice gentleman waited for me to go through here. All of your toppings. Guy hooked me up and didn't shut it down just yet. Let's see what we got over here. They are pulling everything off as we speak. Got some breads. Oh my goodness. They had prosciutto there I didn't see. Cheeses, toppings for maybe your burgers, smoked goudas, provolone cheese. Looks like they got some tuna salad. Let's see what they got over here. Got some like pasta salads, eggplant salad, tomato and mozzarella, olive, artichoke salad, sourdough bread, butters, my favorite cheesy bread. Got Russian salad, no clue what that is. What do we got here? This is to make a salad. All your toppings to make a salad. Tomatoes, cucumbers. All types of chopped veggies. Sammy's making a salad right there. Gonna make it real quick before they shut it down. Then we're gonna head over to this other side. We're gonna head over to this side over here and see what they have. Maybe it's not 2:30. He made it seem like they were closing it down, but maybe not. Let's see what we got here. So you've got two types of pastas. We got spaghetti and penne. You got two sauces there. We got a fava bean and chickpea casserole and corn kernels. We got gravy and a barbecue sauce. We got some chicken, potatoes that look beautiful, mashed potatoes. Then we've got a carving station, which was a roast top round beef. The lights are red lights, so it really brings out the red, but it was more of like a medium, I would say. You got more bread over here, sourdough, butters, the soft cheese rolls. It really says soft cheese rolls, and I would agree, they are soft. We've got pork schnitzel. You got tartar sauce for maybe the pan-seared fish. And you got a beef goulash, seafood and chicken paella, which I'm gonna be honest was really good. You got steamed vegetables, I didn't really like those. We got roasted potato wedges. You got your Heinz ketchup. And then over here we've got our desserts. So we got dessert-wise. Well, you got some fruits if you like fruits. You got cantaloupe and pineapple. Coconut cookies, lemon cookies with no sugar added. This is caramel creme brulee, apple pound cakes, coconut cream puffs, apricot pie, honestly looks freaking stunning. Carrot cake. We got chocolate bars. And then you got some apples and some fruits. You got your decaf hot waters. You can make some teas. And then it is just so peaceful in here. Honestly, it's a great place to come. Maybe I was wrong. They are breaking it down. So I kind of rushed through that first section. You can go back and take one more look. But it is so peaceful. The artwork's cool. I think they're about to clean it up here. I'm going to get a little bit of prosciutto because I love prosciutto. But that is your, that's all your items there on the buffet. Again, this is boarding day. It was absolutely fantastic in here. Come by the boarding day, come check it out. You think they spread it out just to make it look like there's more? What do you think? What do you think? So come here for boarding day, SOLARIUM Bistro. We'll see you guys in the next video.